My people, make I tell you now my terrible experience with one chance people for Abuja. If you dey stay Lagos or you dey stay Abuja, you go know say this one chance people dey very wicked. This place when I dey so, na im be Federal Housing Bridge for Kuba Express for Abuja. That day, I dey go area 1. You see am so now, if you see wetin this motor, how this motor take dey so, they must get one girl or one woman wey join them. Then they must get one guy wey go sit down at the other end. You understand? Then you go come dey the middle. They must get one particular of their team member wey they wan pick front. So they come to pick this guy saying they go beggar, because beggar dey on your way to area 1. Later now he come say he wan put his bag for inside boot. Now driver say, how you go put this small bag for inside boot? They come begin dey argue. As they argue, na there na the other guy come to say may he leave am and all that stuff. And driver come go back, open the boot, come put the bag inside the boot. They come still do like say they argue. For you know, now this guy come join me. So they don't successfully put me for their middle. At this point, you don't dey at their mercy. Shall you understand? And so the journey want to continue. We can't dey go. You understand? As we dey go, this one is still Kuba Express. Now we do. Now driver just start. He say wetin dey that bag. Whether he sure say exhibit not dey inside the bag. The guy no answer. You know say now the other guy come begin contribute. Say wetin concern am. The guy get right to carry bag enter. They come begin argue. And I me come still keep quiet because at this point I dey mind my business. Now that other girl wey dey front say driver get right to ask wetin dey the bag because na the driver na him get motor. You know say they must balance gender. You understand? Because woman dey, your mind will come down. And then the guy come open up. Say in they come from your guy house. Say your guy na very wicked man. Say if you lost the papa, your guy no even give am transport fare, make him to go village. Now everybody come in a very pathetic story. But at this point, I don't still contribute. You understand? All of them come they talk. Later night they come to say, how come me not they contribute for the conversation? You get one point now the guy say that bag na your guy money na it inside. He say na very big money. Saying carry on. He say so even they willing to share. You understand the money? But if not be spirit of greed, you understand? Why person go get money go one share? We be brother, we be family member. You see, Anna, I don't enter their trap. Sometimes once you enter that conversation, their juju don't catch you with that. Then the money comes scatter my head. You understand? And the driver say, make we park, make we park. This time we don't change direction for our journey. So make we gather, make we discuss this matter well. Make you now see mind something. No say na the greed because if you not greedy, you not go join. No, you talk about money, he go enter. And we can't go corner. And the guy say, the oga dey very spiritual. He say this money so before we go fit use them, they get to suppress the oga spirit so that make the oga spirit not affect us. Now this other guy, this nonsense guy again, will not say I slim see here. He saying go carry us go meet one baba. So the baba go suppress the spirit where they the money then we fit use them. Now the same girl again, not say fine girl but a bad person. Come to say and may carry us go meet this baba. Now the guy come to say okay, yes, the oga go collect 1 million naira to suppress the spirit. What you go think 1 million naira to $50,000? Difference is very obvious. Now me can they suggest at this point to say make we all contribute money we go give baba to suppress spirits. You see this driver so very wicked person. Now in the country, now in be the oga. Most of the time na their driver be the oga. Now cut it is okay. Me get cash. They got to say they go transfer. Make you see as I mumu rich mumu man. Now that's okay. Now me come they beg say I beg go. May the guy not come out to. May they make sure say they wait for me for this place. Now go. Money where they give me money will not be my money for this kind of hardship. See, and they don't they laugh. See, no see, very organized bad people. They wait for me. Now I can go. Now go carry money will not be my own by myself. They not force me. They not use any Now carry money come out, now give them the money. As I give them the money, hoping to say we want go give Baba. Now this same girl again, not say sometimes he say our money not complete to say the money of our not complete. Now me again suggest again say I go help her make the money up. Say she go, then she go come reimburse me the money. Now I come out to as an ozwo. Now come out, say I want go bring the money. See them, they mock me. Not see I'm nonsense driver. Before you know my brother, all these people don't jow, they don't run, they come out to me. I can come back from my man, I can collect $50,000 will not be my own. I can begin to call them. No say bad thing what happen. You they feel say you they make excuses. I call they say blind they go drink water. I don't begin call them brother, sister. And I said, no say Anna, don't be like say my eye don't clear now. Because those people they use something. My eye don't clear now. Say these people they don't use something for me. They are not saying I want chance, so now I don't enter. Now I begin cry for this kind of economy. I not get money where they give me. Now I can begin to cry. My people, now greed. Now be the beginning of one chance from one people. If you don't experience one chance people before, tell us for comment section and make you also share them with people for still learn from this.